guys, so this is like the third or fourth time I've tried to film this vlog. I want to just do like a few days of my life, fall day in the life, work week edition, and I get so bogged down with work that I forget to film. So good morning. I already took a walk, got coffee, did my cardio. It is Aunt Flo this week, so taking a little chill. I'm gonna go run to the grocery store because I have to pick up some things for meal prep as well as some recipes for Wetherspoon this week because we're doing like all of the fall stuff. Basically almost to Christmas, all the recipes. I'm just gonna do my skincare, no makeup today. I don't know, I feel like my skin needs to breathe. I'm gonna show you. So before I jump into work, I don't typically wear any makeup when I'm working from home, but I do like to do some skincare. It just kind of, I don't know, I make my environment nice. I make what I'm wearing cozy, and I just like to feel good. I'm gonna be working at home. That's kind of a double-edged sword because you need to like keep yourself motivated. And I've been trying out some products from BioClarity, and I like that a lot of their ingredients are plant-based and they have different plant properties in them. And one of the things that I've actually been loving about this combination is a lot of it has to do with like calming your skin and dealing with texture and coloration, hyperpigmentation, which is something that I struggle with. So instead of having something targeted towards blemishes or something like that, this is way more up my alley. So first, what I have been using is the Zen Ultra Calming Serum, and it has Floralux, which I guess is their own like patented thing, licorice root, niacinamide, and lentil. And it's supposed to, Floralux is from chlorophyll, and the licorice soothes redness prone skin and diminishes discoloration and pore size. And there's antioxidants from some of the other properties, and the lentil can help brighten, smooth, and soften skin. These are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, suitable for all skin types. So I've been using this daytime and nighttime, and I actually really like how it feels on my skin. And I like that all the products come out green. I don't know why, but my texture, I mean, even before I put that on, I don't know if you could see, just my skin's been a lot smoother and has like a nicer glow to it. I feel like it gets really dull, especially being in air conditioning all the time. And then these two products I use synergistically. You probably could get away with just using one because this one's a nourishing, it's more like a skin food, and then this is the moisturizer. I'm going to use Restore. This also has Floralux in it. I only use this at night, but since this isn't a nighttime routine, I just want to show you guys everything. And then I like how it makes my skin look, so that way if I do have to go out, I don't really feel like I need makeup. I would rather look awake and glowy than have a ton of makeup on. And there's no crazy smells with this either, which I like. I'm not a big fan of skincare that is scented. Hydrate Skin Soothe, which also has Floralux, Argan, and Olive. I need to turn my mom onto this brand because she can only use pretty natural stuff. She's really sensitive, and especially with scents, so she would love this. And at nighttime I use this like all the way on my décolleté, everywhere. You guys see, like, it's just so glowy, but it's light. I love it. I'm gonna have this linked below for you guys with a discount because it's awesome. If you're looking for new skincare moving into this colder like next season, this is something you should check out. So then this is the cleanse, keep it clean. It has chamomile and green tea. Oh, and cucumber. So it's really calming, which, like I said, I have hyperpigmentation and some discoloration, and I've just noticed that like the texture of my skin just looks more glowy. I feel like I can get away with less makeup when I do go out. It also, like, these products are great bases under my makeup. I've noticed everything just lays better. I tend to get really dry under my eyes and on my cheeks, and it's not even like dry, it's just like the makeup sets weird, but this kind of gives it like a nice, I don't want to say a barrier because it doesn't feel like it's blocking anything, but it just soothes everything and kind of like smooths it out, and then the makeup lays much better. And I like that because it doesn't feel like I'm wearing a lot of makeup, or like I don't feel like I have to cake it on, which is awesome. So I've been loving using these three during the day just so that way I can look a little bit fresh without having to wear any makeup at the house, because I don't know, I don't really feel like it's necessary me working from home. If you guys want to try BioClarity, I will have a link down below as well as 15% off using the code Haley15. You guys check it out. If you've used it before, let me know, or if there's any products from that line that I haven't tried, let me know what you think. I would love to hear your feedback because so far I'm really liking what I have, but totally up for trying some new ones.
So nothing super exciting from this grocery haul. I did get a few pears because I think like a roasted pear oatmeal would be so good for fall. But I love a Japanese or a white sweet potato roasted and then put them in the fridge and then put almond butter on them when you go to eat them. It's like cake. It's so dense. It's completely different than a normal yam or sweet potato like these that are orange. Totally get the Japanese. Sometimes they have purple skin. I also got the trio potatoes. I love doing that with like rosemary and a little Parmesan, some beans, sage, more potatoes, mushrooms. I got a couple salted caramel Power Crunch bars, put them in the freezer, thank me later. Just some plain Greek yogurt. I put this in a lot of the things that I like bake, especially any like pumpkin recipe. Usually there's also Greek yogurt in that, like the donuts that I made last week. And then I love these Two Good yogurts. You can put like apples over it and granola, but the macros, like 3 carb, crazy. They also have other flavors and they're just, you can't beat the macros. And for fall, this granola, the Michelle's Pumpkin Spice, is hands down the best thing ever. Get this and put it on your yogurt. A little bit of yogurt, some pear and granola. This is going to be so good. Keeping meal prep really simple this week. I have these Mediterranean chicken patties from Aldi. They were such a good find because a lot of times with burgers and patties, they have a lot of filler, making the macros kind of crappy. They're 5 fat and 3 carb. I totally forget the protein, but either way, really good. And then I have a picked rotisserie chicken. I have some carrot spirals, which I thought would be really kind of like seasonal with the pumpkin, I think it's Pumpkin Harvest Alfredo from Trader Joe's. Be like a nice little cozy warming dish. And then I have the potatoes and some Brussels in the oven, and that's like just really easy, healthy stuff that you can just have on hand. Tip, if you guys have a trouble getting crispy Brussels sprouts when you roast them, try buying frozen bagged Brussels and roasting them frozen. This was just 460 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes and they come out really crispy. Love that. And then I also have some sweet potatoes, and then we need to flip those sweet potatoes. They're so good. I'm so excited. And we are done. So we've got all of our sweet potatoes, green beans, spiral carrots, Brussels, chicken patties. Guys, this is seriously $10 to $15 worth of food, and this is a ton. Like, this would be great for me and Kyle for the week. Maybe have to make a little bit more protein and some veggies and stuff, but I mean, eating healthy, people who are like, oh, eating healthy is really expensive, $5 worth of potatoes, $2 worth of green beans, $2. These were like $6 a pack. Super easy, delicious, ready to go. Love it. It's just like a dreary day, a dreary work day. I was like editing videos and then simultaneously like painting my nails because sometimes I do that while things buffer and download and all that. So I like to, you know, make best use of my time. And it's my brother's birthday today, so I think we're going to dinner tonight. I'm not sure yet though. I'm just having like a weird day. I don't know if it's the weather or my hormones. Yeah, I don't know. I've got like 3 videos that I'm currently editing. And whenever I have days at the computer, like if I'm not doing a photo shoot for Weatherspoon, I feel like I zone out and I get really tired sitting at the computer all day. If anyone else is like that, thumbs up, because computer work's exhausting. Taking a little break to have some lunch, but I wanted to show you guys some of the snacks that I made this week, just that I like to have on hand usually, plus some of the recipes that I did for Weatherspoon that are so good. And they're gonna be up probably this week or next week, so I'll have them in the description box for you guys. But these pumpkin cream bars, look at this. The shoot that I did last week, I think I'm putting that footage in this vlog. We made these pumpkin cream bars and they're so good. I love them. And then if you follow along on Instagram, which you should, at Haley Cairo, I post tons of recipes, and we always have a batch of muffins because they're so low in calorie. You can eat a couple of them for snacks. We've got the protein, well, they're both protein muffins, the blueberry and then the carrot cake. These are so good. I'll link those recipes as well. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys, this is like super life-saving when you need quick snacks that are not going to break your calorie budget. Let's look at all of those blueberries. Just wanted something kind of light for lunch, so I have some butter lettuce, green beans, garlic expressions dressing, and some of that chicken patty that I made yesterday. Just did my makeup. I don't know why, like the lighting in the mirror looks better than what you're seeing. So hold on. We are going out to dinner for Josh's birthday. I'll try to get a little bit of footage, but that is gonna kind of like wrap up the work for the day, and I'm gonna go pick up like his birthday card and a gift and stuff like that. So signing off, this might be the end of the video. So if it is, I'm so glad you guys got to see a little bit of my work week. Click that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow along on social, and definitely check out BioClarity if you guys are interested in some new 100% vegan, awesome skincare. As always, I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in the next video.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown.